Xin chào mọi người, bienvenidos. I'm James. This is my computer-aided design journey.
My first CAD design was the sponsor button. It was my introduction to CAD and Onshape before I took any tutorials. I learned how to extrude, import reference images, and close shapes and sketches.
After taking some Onshape intro courses, I reverse engineered this Galaxy phone stand.
It's got a hinge leaf and 2 dowel pins that allow it to rotate freely with revolve mates.
The phone stand can actually make an Easter Island phase, both in real life
and in the model. Then I modeled Bubbles, FRC-127 Plutonium's 2024 robot. Bubbles is supposed to move, but since I'm just creating a model for our outreach website, I fixed all of the mates and simplified the robot.
My tie interceptor keychain here is my first 3D printed CAD model. I learned quite a few things from my first print, including how supports leave artifacts and require a lot of sanding, and if I'm going to give something for my little brother to wear in his backpack, I should make the walls at least 1.5 times thicker to ensure durability.
Stitch here is an earbud case held together with 180 degrees of freedom revolve mates and a dowel pin. This here is Stuart, Plutonium's 2025 bot. It's much more complex than my previous Bubbles model. Some key parts that took a lot of planning was the 3 elevator frames fitting snugly within each other, and this belt system that connects the top all the way to the bottom and a Kraken motor.
This is my Snoopy keychain. He required a lot of processing after printing due to the amount of artifacts, and he wasn't printed with colored filament, which meant I needed to paint or color in all of his individual features, leaving him a little rough around the edges.
Here, my partner and I are launching our Gen 1 and 2 rockets, textbook launches after designing them in OpenRocket.
Thanks for listening. Xin hẹn gặp lại.